Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and preparing the AirPods Max. Plug them in for at least 10 minutes if battery is low. This avoids interruptions during setup. Make sure your iPhone or iPad has Bluetooth enabled and runs the current iOS so features sync cleanly. Once ready, remove the headphones from the case, press the noise control button briefly to wake them, and hold them near your device to trigger the setup prompt. This is the fastest, most reliable way to begin pairing. You tap Connect when the pairing card appears. Follow the on-screen instructions to associate AirPods Max with your Apple ID. Once paired, open Settings Bluetooth AirPods Max to enable automatic device switching so audio moves between your devices seamlessly. Make sure spatial audio and headphone accommodations are set to your preference. They change perception and clarity. Then, test noise control modes. Switch between active noise cancellation and transparency to understand how each. You finish by fine-tuning controls and confirming battery health. Open settings to map digital crown behavior and set playback gestures so the controls feel natural. If audio drops, pairing fails, or features act up, reset the headphones by holding the noise control button and digital crown together for 15 seconds until the LED flashes, then repair. If battery reports low, use the iPhone battery widget or control center to view percentage. This single reset solves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.